What's caused gold to go up in value so much this year? Gold's on a pretty much a historic run. It's up around 45% on the year. Um,
Yeah, I think it has a lot to do or correlated with what you're seeing here. Because I saw a chart just recently, I think for the first time in over 20 years, central banks around the world have more gold on hand or value of gold on hand than they do dollars.
mhm.
That just crossed over just, within the last quarter. And so to me, it looks like, combined with the fact that the dollar is down like 10 point something percent, versus the
Yeah.
basket of goods over the last, might be year to date. I can't remember if that's year to date or last 12 months, but nonetheless, it's down. And so people are selling dollars and buying gold, right?
Because
And
it holds value better.
it holds value better. There's a distrust worldwide now in the U.S. because of the tariff situation, and other issues that have happened. But certainly, that we've lost some value, and now there's not as much trade that's going to happen with some of our big trading partners. So there's less reasons to keep dollars, and so anyway, I
It,
think I think gold continues to go here.
yeah, especially as monetary policies become looser and looser by them cutting rates,
Right.
and then just geopolitical and like economic uncertainty. More uncertainty, people turn to what they feel is a safe asset.
Yeah.
Gold is considered one of those safe assets.
Right. Now,
Um,
unfortunately, it depends on the level of uncertainty, is what we've seen, at least in the recent past. So, like now, there's enough uncertainty to make gold move upward. People are buying it, countries are buying it, entities are buying it,
yeah.
sovereign funds are buying it. So it's not a bad thing to buy. Unfortunately, what we saw in 2008, when things really hit the fan, gold went down as much as the stock market, more or less. I mean, it came down, everything went down, bonds went down, all the hedges fell in 2008. And so, all of that diversification that's out there. So when you really, really want it to be going up, it might not do it. You can make some money now. I don't have a problem with owning it now. Just, I, I, I wouldn't overdo it because of that non-ability to hedge,
Yeah,
right?
and you have to remember gold's like a non-yielding asset. It's not like a
Yeah,
bond or a stock where you can have dividends, even if you're there's no creation of value behind a
right,
piece of gold. If you're on an ounce of gold, no matter what you do in 10 years, it's still going to be an ounce of gold.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, there's no interest payments, dividend payments that you're going to get. Yet it's doing great because it is a storage of value, and there is enough uncertainty here that people are gathering it worldwide, and so it's not a bad thing to have in a portfolio right now. But I'd keep it smallish because it's going to act like the stock portion of your portfolio. It just might do better for a while here,
Mhm.
and might even do better than the stock market. As the volatility, if it picks up. So until everything falls apart, if that does happen. If it doesn't, I think you'll probably still see gold do pretty well.